If your iPhone is showing the message "Lock to Owner," it means the device is still linked to an Apple ID through Apple's activation lock system. This usually happens after a factory reset, a second-hand purchase, or when the Apple ID password has been forgotten. Users facing passcode or account-related lock issues on iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Many people think this means the iPhone is permanently unusable. That is not always true. Before we continue, an important notice. Activation lock is a security feature designed to protect Apple devices. Attempting to remove it from a device you do not own is illegal. This video is for educational purposes only and applies only to rightful owners. In this video, I'm going to explain one permanent and legitimate solution that works in most real-world situations, even on the new iOS 26.2. This method does not rely on fake pop-ups, misleading software messages, or temporary tricks. Now let's get into the solution. The IBF tool is built to make the recovery process easier for users facing passcode or account-related lock issues on iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Instead of dealing with complex technical steps, the tool guides you through a simplified process that most users can follow. Newer versions are designed to operate without risky system modifications, which makes the process more stable and user-friendly. After installing the software on your computer, you connect your device using a cable, choose the correct device type and iOS version, and proceed by following the on-screen instructions. Once completed, the device can be restored to a fresh setup state, allowing you to continue using it without being blocked at the activation lock screen. This approach is intended only for devices you legally own and is presented for educational purposes. Everything works perfect like a brand new device. Even calls are working, and that's everything you need to know. If this guide helped clarify your options, make sure to hit the like button and share your device model and iOS version in the comments. I read and reply to them all. If you still need help or have a specific situation, feel free to contact me using the links below for more guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.